Suba Aluth Wewa. Today is a traditional Sinhala and Hindu New Year. Why is it called Sinhala and Hindu New Year? Because this is celebrated by both Sinhalese and the Hindus as well in Sri Lanka. This is something that has been coming up for a long time from generations to generations, and with time things have been added into our celebrations, plus new food and new games, those kind of things have been added up. And this Sinhala and Hindu New Year is also known as one of the world's only celebrations with many auspicious times where we do different things at those auspicious times. Like we have an auspicious time called Nonagatya, where we stop all our work and we wait till the old time comes to the new time. At that time we are not supposed to eat. We mostly spend by going to the temple or to the Kovil according to the Hindus and spending time with the families and get together and playing games. There are traditional games as well. What I must point out is I'm talking about the Sinhalese tradition because I don't know that much about what the Hindus do, because I don't have any Hindu relatives or anyone that I know. And the most important thing is the dawn of the new year. This actually falls on different auspicious times depending on the astrologer's timetable that they gave. Today this was at 4 a.m. and we boil milk because it's an auspicious thing that we do in Sri Lanka, boiling milk to see good luck and bring good luck into our homes. After that, the nakat that we get is at 6:44 to have our food, to start a new thing, maybe do some planting or start something to study, or for me of course I would switch on the computer because that's what I do. And we also give gifts at that time. When we were kids, we used to get money that we collect and we would buy little things like sweets and stuff. And the best thing is our traditional racing table. This is our Sri Lankan traditional racing table that you see. And the most prominent first item on this is kiribat, or we call milk rice. This is made from the boiled milk in the morning at the dawn of the new year. With this, we go with kavun. This is called konda kavun. It's because of this konda kind of this little thing. It's called konda kavun. And this is the cookies, the crunchiest fellow in the group. And I love making cookies because this is so crunchy, but I mostly do it when I make it, I end up eating a lot of this. So most of the time the racing tables in my home will be left with cookies. We have alua, asli, hanivalalu, varisalappa, moonkau. This is made with green grams, milk toffees and coconut toffees. And if you take, the cake is not a traditional thing, but it actually came up with time, with changes in life, in generations. Cake is something that came up to the New Year table. And we also have some tea. Sorry about that. And with the tradition, what happens is mostly the families, elders would light up the lamp and feed the others in the family first. In my case, it was my father. When he was around, he used to light up the oil lamp and feed us the first bite of kiripat to Amma and me. But after he passed away, things kind of got changed. And when he was around, Amma and I used to make all these food at home. We both used to make these things before the Avuruddak. And now after he's gone, we have kind of started to get these food from outside vendors so we can help them out as well during the season and share these things with the others. I hope you liked my little video. Let me know what you think. Bye. Catch you all on the Q&A.